Welcome to my honest review of FreshBooks, a widely popular accounting and invoicing software designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and self-employed professionals. In this video, I'll provide a comprehensive walkthrough of FreshBooks, from its user-friendly interface to its robust features that simplify managing your business finances. Let's start with the dashboard, the central hub, where you get an overview of your financial health. FreshBooks makes it easy to see outstanding invoices, recent expenses, and your account balance at a glance. The layout is intuitive, with all the main tools accessible from a simple menu on the left-hand side. Next, we dive into invoicing. FreshBooks stands out for its customizable and professional-looking invoice templates. You can quickly generate invoices, add your logo, and personalize the message to clients. The software also supports automatic payment reminders, which can save you time and help ensure you get paid on time. Tracking expenses is another area where FreshBooks excels. You can snap photos of receipts using the FreshBooks mobile app, and the software will automatically categorize them. You can also connect your bank account to import transactions seamlessly. This makes keeping tabs on business expenses incredibly efficient. One feature I particularly appreciate is time tracking. If you bill clients by the hour, FreshBooks allows you to track your time with a built-in timer. Once your project is complete, you can easily convert tracked hours into an invoice, ensuring that you're compensated for every minute of work. FreshBooks also simplifies collaboration by allowing you to invite team members or accountants to your account. This ensures smooth communication and accurate bookkeeping, especially during tax season. Speaking of taxes, FreshBooks includes helpful reporting tools, such as profit and loss statements, to help you prepare for tax filings. The pricing structure is worth discussing. FreshBooks offers several plans tailored to different business sizes and needs. While the entry-level plan is budget-friendly, the higher-tier plans unlock advanced features, like double-entry accounting and project profitability tracking. Be sure to evaluate your business requirements to pick the right plan. One drawback I noticed is that FreshBooks may lack some advanced features needed by larger businesses. However, for freelancers and small companies, it's an excellent tool that balances functionality with simplicity. Overall, FreshBooks is a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their accounting and invoicing tasks. Its clean design, automation options, and powerful integrations make it a top contender in the financial management space. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tutorials on the best tools for small businesses and freelancers. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.